Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by aligning prerequisites to job expectations. Master Python basics and object-oriented patterns, then pick meaningful projects. Once done, push clean commits to GitHub and write a concise README so recruiters see intent. Make sure to use virtualenv and include a requirements. TXT for reproducibility. Practice command line tools, basic SQL, and one framework like Flask or Pandas to show applied skills. This is the foundation employers expect when you apply. You now execute the core growth loop: build, test, and validate. Start automated tests and simple CI so projects are trusted artifacts. Once passing, add test badges to your README. Make targeted resumes that highlight relevant projects and metrics, and tailor each cover email for the role. Simultaneously, reach out on LinkedIn and contribute small PRs to open source to get referrals. Make sure to practice coding interview problems weekly to close the skill-to-hire gap. You finish by turning readiness into offers. Apply broadly but with focus, track each application and follow up after 1 week. Prepare for interviews with mock sessions, timed coding challenges, and clear explanations of trade-offs during system design. If you get stalled, request concise feedback, then iterate on projects, update README, or add tests based on that critique. One key troubleshooting tip: when interviews fail repeatedly, record a mock interview. Review answers, and fix the weakest 20% of skills, causing 80% of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.